Hello and welcome to today's episode of Baking with Me in a Kitchen Space. In today's recipe, let's make some milk bread to be precise. And lately I've been obsessed with eating bread, kiasi, and so I'm here to show you the recipe that I use for making my bread. And without further ado, let's get into the ingredients. And from this corner, I have some all-purpose flour. This is some salt, some warm milk, yeast, margarine, an egg, and some sugar. So let's get started. Flour, I'm using 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to go in with 3 teaspoons of sugar, I'm also going to go in with a pinch of salt, and then I'm going to add my yeast. This is 1 teaspoon of yeast. I'm going to mix that well. Then for the butter, you can either decide to use some melted margarine or melted butter, but I'm going to use this. This is some softened butter, and these are about 4 tablespoons. So I'm going to go in with about 3 and leave 1. I'll mix this till it becomes like crumbly because I've decided not to melt it. So once it has attained its sandy texture, I'm going to break in my egg. And then I'm going to go in with my warm milk. Then I'm going to start the kneading process. And for this remaining 1 tablespoon of butter, I'm going to add it once my dough has come together. So this is about 15 minutes of intensive kneading, and I can see that my dough is okay. So I'm going to add a little bit of oil, then spread it around, and this is just to ensure that my dough does not stick to the container while rising. So now I'm going to leave this on the countertop for about an hour so that it can rest and proof. So I'm back after an hour, and you can see that our dough has risen, and I'm just going to punch it to remove the air that has been incorporated into our dough. And then I'll need some more flour ya kunyunyuzia hapo chini kiasi tu. At this step, we are basically going to shape our dough. I'll be using this. This is a loaf tin that I have already greased and dusted with some flour. So I'm first going to roll it like this, then like this. Then now I'm going to let this brew for about another 1 hour. Then I'll be back to show you the next process. So this is after the second proofing, and as you can see, my dough has taken its shape, and I'm going to brush it with some milk. I have some milk over here, and I'm going to lightly brush it. You can also use some egg wash or some water, and this is just going to help in browning the crust, the wipate crust. Poa. In the meantime, my oven is preheating at 170 degrees. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. So now I'm going to bake this for about 25 minutes. From London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. This tastes amazing. As you've seen, it was that easy making some bread at home. So let's meet tomorrow morning as I share with you a breakfast idea that I'm sure you're going to love. Don't forget to like this video, share a comment, leave a suggestion, share this video to your friends and family, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.